Boy, that's another fantastic question. I have recently been really lucky in that I have had some fantastic clients that have been unbelievably organized. So a lot of the time, I will have a client that will come in, for lack of a better way of putting it, for divorce planning and asking, okay, here's where I am now, here's where I want to be, what do I need to do? And a lot of the time, that's information gathering. So, if you know that you've got, this, gas royalties that are coming in. You need to get information on those gas leases. You got other investments. You've got some commercial real estate in Arizona. You need to find out what's going on there and get those documents. You need to get the documents related to the retirement accounts and other investment accounts that you've got. Let's say that your husband or wife has some drinking or drug problems. And so there's been a DWI or there's been a public intox or, there's some video out there on YouTube or that was put up on Facebook of, one of y'all kind of acting like an ass. Well, you want to gather that information. So the more information that you can gather, the more information that you have that is well organized that you can then provide to your lawyer, you have just saved a ton of time. Think about, when we all hate filing for taxes, okay? What is going to be better? If you've got just a bag full of receipts that you go and dump on the desk of your CPA, or if you have everything in an Excel spreadsheet with the attachments that are there backing it up that you can provide. Obviously the latter, right? Well, it's the same type of situation when you're dealing with a lawyer. The more organized information you can provide, the more money you're going to save in the process, because either it's going to be me or an associate or a paralegal or a legal assistant that's going to have to do some of the organizing of this information. And, God forbid we're on a really short string. Let's say that you're the one who got served with divorce papers and there's a temporary order hearing 10 days away, which happens all the time. Well, if you don't have all that stuff together, what do you think is going to happen to the cost? It's going to get higher, right? Well, that's exactly right. That is what happens. So the best advice I can give is get your ducks in a row. Get organized, and then sit down and talk with the lawyer and find out, okay, are there certain ducks that have not gotten in the line yet? Well, we need to corral those bad boys and get them lined up so that we can get all of them in a row, and you can save some money in the process.